If you have deleted a batch by mistake, or want to create a new batch based on one already posted, this can be recovered in short order. To access the Recover Batch function, open the Maintenance menu, or from the Inquiries menu, choose Batch Status, or click the Batch Inquiry button on the toolbar. Adagio BankRec maintains the detailed batch information after it is posted or deleted, with batches listed in reverse batch order number. You may want to create a new batch based on one previously used from the current year, even if it no longer appears on the batch list grid. Select the batch, or multiple batches of any range, that you want to recover. Only deleted or posted batches are available to copy, and batches with other statuses prevent access to the Recover button. Posted batches retrieved from another application are not available to recover because this would adversely affect accounting, but deleted batches can be recovered. Recovering a posted batch does not remove the posted details or adjust bank balances, but only makes a copy of selected batches. If the security group setup does not grant access to the Maintenance Recover Batches menu, then the Recover button will not be available here. Recover a batch that you accidentally deleted, or make a copy of a posted batch that has similar transactions to one you want to enter. Clicking the Recover button will present options for creating the new batch, based on original details, either exactly as it was prior to deleting or posting, or modified with changes to the document number or date. Note that bank reference values already posted cannot be reused, so recovering posted batches requires selecting the Increment Document Number option, otherwise an error will appear. If more than one batch was selected, each will be recovered to multiple separate batches. Batches could only be recovered to the open or archive source from where they originated, but could be moved after recovery. When the options are set as desired, press the OK button to create the batches, which can then be edited as required prior to posting. It's not too late to make a recovery, even after deleting or posting a batch. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.